delicious and healthy sweet potato recipe to start your day right. For this recipe we will need a large sweet potato. Add to a pan. Add water to cover the lid and let it cook until the potato softens. Okay, you've cooked it to see if it's really soft. Only use the fork if the fork goes in is because it is ready, right? Now I'm going to be peeling it and kneading it very well. And folks, you're already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? That I will send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I'm going to add it now in a container. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a spoon of honey, 2 eggs, and I will mix these ingredients very well. Guys, this recipe looks wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. Add 300 grams of powdered milk and mix very well. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Mia from New York. Thank you so much for always being with us. I appreciate it immensely. I will also add a spoon of baking powder and mix very well until completely homogenized. To model, I will be using a little olive oil and passing it in my hands and modeling it like that. Very easy and very fast. Now, in a way, add a little olive oil and spread. And now just take it in the oven at 356 degrees for about 25 minutes. And our recipe is ready, and it looks wonderful. I'm sure you all will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.